The water level of Yamuna River in Delhi breached the danger mark. The river is now hovering at 206.24 meters, while the danger mark is at 205.33 meters. According to the Central Water Commission or CWC, this has triggered a high alert in Delhi. The development came as more rain was predicted in the city for the entire week after 3 continuous days of torrential downpours, which triggered waterlogging in several areas. As the water level touched the danger mark due to the release of water from the Hasnikund barrage in Haryana, rail traffic on the old Yamuna rail bridge was temporarily suspended from 6 am on Tuesday. The Yamuna is threatening to cross its highest flood level of 207.49 meters, which was recorded back in 1978. Evacuation of people living in low-lying areas of Yamuna floodplains began on Monday evening. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal chaired a high-level meeting to discuss the waterlogging situation and the rising levels of the Yamuna. He claimed that there was no threat of flooding as of now. He said that his government was prepared to deal with the situation and 41,000 people were identified to be shifted to relief camps if the need arose.
दिल्ली में बाढ़ का खतरा जो है वो केवल दिल्ली की अपनी बारिश पे कम डिपेंडेंट है। ऊपर से हरियाणा से यमुना में जो पानी हरियाणा में भी हिमाचल प्रदेश से हरियाणा में आता है और यहाँ से जो दिल्ली में पानी आता है यमुना के अंदर, वो जो पानी छोड़ा जाता है हथनी कुंड से, उस पानी पे ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट है। CWC के हिसाब से अभी इस वक्त दिल्ली में 203.58 मीटर तक हमारा लेवल पहुंचा है यमुना का। कल सुबह 205.5 मीटर तक पहुंचेगा और जो वेदर की प्रेडिक्शंस अगले कुछ दिनों की हैं उसके हिसाब से यमुना का स्तर बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ने की उम्मीद अभी फिलहाल नहीं है। तो फ्लड की सिचुएशन आएगी ऐसा लगता नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रेडिक्शंस मेड बाय द एक्सपर्ट्स। 206 मीटर अगर क्रॉस करेगा तो हम इवैक्यूएशन चालू कर देंगे। इवैक्यूएशन भी जो बिल्कुल यमुना के तट के ऊपर आसपास लोग रह रहे हैं झुग्गी बस्तियों के, ऐसे 41,000 लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है। उनके लिए रिलीफ कैंप्स बना लिए गए हैं।
Delhi Public Works Department or PWD Minister Atishi said that people are being sent to safer places from the area of floodplains and district magistrates concerned were directed to be on high alert. The national capital witnessed heavy rainfall for a third straight day as commuters were inconvenienced due to waterlogging in several stretches. After chairing the high-level meeting on the waterlogging situation and rising water levels of the Yamuna, Arvind Kejriwal admitted that the city's drainage system was not designed to take such unprecedented rain. He said that it was not the time to play the blame game and said that governments of all affected states in North India should work together and tackle the situation. The Safdarjung Observatory recorded 107.3 mm of rainfall in a 24-hour period ending at 8:30 am on Monday. The IMD said that the city logged another 2.9 mm of rainfall in the next 9 hours. Light to moderate rainfall is likely on Tuesday, while a downpour is predicted for the entire week till Sunday, that is July 16th. In view of the rain forecast in the national capital, primary classes of all Delhi government and private schools will remain suspended on Tuesday. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.